do some. Yeah, do some. Hello guys, back with another video, and today I'm going to be doing a arcade match, any gun. I usually don't play arcade, but I need some content. Just started this YouTube channel, so I'm trying to do something different. I would record my classic matches, but it's just like I don't know anybody who's gonna sit there and watch a whole 30-minute, 40-minute clip. I don't know. You got all your people out there that will, but on my end, that's just me having low confidence, I guess. I don't know, but let's get these kills. My connection is real bad right now. I don't know why I got two Uzis for. Better stop moving. Where's my baby at? Where's my UMP at? Ooh, somebody got something big over there. Sound like a big gun. That's probably the SKS. Sound like. Alright, I'm gonna go over here and see what the wreck is all about. This guy got nothing that I want. Boy, I guess I'm just running the Uzi the whole game. Ooh. There we go. Got the package. Now watch how I just sit near the. Just watch how I sit near it and watch people come by and try to get the package. That's how you get easy bait. Pick them off. Smoke still going. Now watch this. Make it look more realistic. I'll throw a little smoke on it. Then make it seem like somebody's actually on it so they can shoot at the box and I can know where they at. Well, I got nothing for that place. I thought the girls could put it up there, but apparently you can't. Somebody's sliding. Die, sucker. Can I get this chicken dinner? The world may never know. People hiding? Come on. Come out, wherever you are. Arcade match, not classic. Come on, people. Really? Why do people camp in this game mode, bro? Hello? Daddy's home. Alright, they want to camp, I'll camp. Okay, there we go, action. We got action. Seven people left already. Die, sucker. Die, sucker. Die, sucker. 4 people left. This was an easy game. If I can clutch it. Almost out of ammo. Die, sucker. Die, sucker. One person left. Can I get it? Oh wow, out of ammo. You serious right now? 1 kill left. I gotta hassle with this guy. He's probably gonna hide somewhere. Die, sucker. And that's how you do it.